track, bring the little woman back and call out the whistle away. Oh, wait here. If the train runs right through my woman's Saturday night, rolling 900 miles from my if my woman says so, I'll railroad no more. I'll sidetrack my train and go home.
Why do you do that, though?
Highball. You can count the days and born and the train that I left on. You can hear the whistle blow 900 miles. Train 45. Going down the tide with the tears in my eyes, trying to read a letter from my home. Oh, wait here. If I die railroad man, you can bury me in the sand. So here's the whistle blow 900 miles. Down the line.
There's a jubilee up in the sky when the golden train comes down, with an invitation for you and I when the golden train comes down. I'm gonna take tickets at the Golden Gate, gonna dance with Peter, make the angels wait, and just be me. I think I'll be late when the golden train comes down. Gonna ring the bell, gonna bid farewell when the golden train comes down. She'll be here soon and she'll be on time when the golden train comes down. With her heavenly crew all looking fine when the golden train comes down. So turn on the steam and let her ride. Make the devil work cold on the old coast light. And if you don't work hard, I'm gonna tan his hide when the golden train comes down. Ring the bell, gonna bid farewell when the golden train comes down.
coming down the track. You gotta ride that little black train, but it ain't gonna bring you back. You may be a barroom gambler and cheat your way through life. You can't cheat that little black train or beat this final ride. Silk and barroom ladies dressed in your worldly pride. You got that little black train's coming in tonight. Your $1 million fortune, your mansion glittering white. You can't take it with you when the train rolls in the